Okay, can see textbook? Someone on the mic?
Can see, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so we continue in your same exercise book. Okay, so this is today index. Get parallel in vectors. Today is 5th. I don't know whether you have go through all this. Maybe I will give some times, and also I will call one by one to do this. Can I have Yenny? Okay, and then Zihan. Okay, Yenny, you find the magnitude of AB. Zihan, you find the magnitude of the CD. I'll go here. Okay, Yenny, you know what you have to do? And Zihan?
Yes.
Okay, okay, we wait for you.
10.
This is who?
Zihan.
Zihan, okay, so you say magnitude of a CD is 10, Okay, next girl, get ready to answer B. And then next girl, okay, get ready to answer gradient of AB. And then next girl, get ready to answer the gradient of CD. Okay, so Yenny say this is 5. Okay, the magnitude of AB, okay, is 5. Okay, thank you. Rachel, answer for B. Okay, the ratio. And then Rasmi, answer for gradient of AB. And then Ravina, answer for gradient of CD. Rachel say 1 is to 2. Okay, because 5 is to 10, so simplify 1 is to 2. Thank you. Know how to find gradient or not? This over this one is called what? This one and this one is the horizontal distance over vertical distance. Okay, 4 over 3, correct? Okay, Ravina also say is 4 over 3. Okay, because it's 8 over 6. So simplify is also 4 over 3. Okay, so both the gradient is 4 over 3 and 4 over 3. Okay, so they are parallel. Okay, who's the next girl? Okay, Rini, are they parallel?
Yes.
Okay, because?
They have the same gradient.
Okay, because they are same gradient. Okay, thank you. Next. Okay, Rishika, can you express AB in terms of CD? Rishika here. Okay, can you do part D? Express AB in terms of CD. Okay, half CD. AB is equal to half CD. Equals to half CD. Okay, correct? Half of the CD is AB. Okay, correct. If I want to add one more, okay, express CD in terms of AB. Okay, who's the next girl? Siva? How about express CD in terms of AB? She say that is CD is equal to 2AB. Okay, very good. Okay, so can you make a conclusion then? Okay, the question say that given two parallel vector, okay, same like this, A and B, what is the relation between A and B? Okay, so this one, we still will go to see the conclusions here. Okay, so this is the conclusion. So this one you have to copy. Okay, you can copy this also. If two vectors are parallel, then one vector is a product of scalar with another vector. Okay, this is the meaning. Okay, one vector is the product of scalar with another vector. Okay, so A and B are parallel if and only if, okay, A is equal to KB. Okay, K is a constant, which is the scalar. Okay, A and B are the vector. Okay, be careful with this. With if and only if means two-way. Okay, so if A and B are parallel, then A is equal to KB. The other way around. If, okay, A equals to KB, then A and B are parallel. Okay, so you have to understand what is the meaning of this if and only if. Okay, this one very important. Always the question will come out this, but the student somehow they will forgot or don't know what to do with the questions. Okay, if this one happen, A and B are parallel. Okay, then A is equal to KB. But how about A and B is not parallel and yet, okay, A is equal to KB. Okay, this is the case. Okay, if A and B are two non-zero vector and are not parallel. Okay, but the A is equal to KB still. Okay, this kind of case can happen only when the H and the K is equal to 0. Okay, here you can assume that this way K over H is the same thing. Okay, this one is still a scalar. Okay, so it's still something like this. Okay, if I write in another way, let's say P and the Q. Okay, so it will not confuse because here you have K and here you have K. If I write in this way, okay, so it will be Q over PB. Okay, so this thing is still the scalar. Okay, you can say the Q over P is the K. Okay, so you see, this is very funny. Okay, when you say this is not parallel, but the A is still equal to KB. There is only one situation that it can be happen is when the scalar is 0. Okay, so in this case, if you write in this way, HA is equal to KB, okay, but A and B are not parallel and A and B are not non-zero vector. So how this kind of a thing can happen? This is only one conditions that this kind of thing will happen, okay, is when the H is 0 and K is 0. This is very important. Please write in your notes and then put how many stars you want to put up to you. Okay, so this one always come out in the questions. Okay, but the student don't know how to do. Okay, so you remember non-parallel, but they are still equals with a scalar. Okay, so the scalar is 0. Okay. Second one, this one also I want you to write down and then put star for this. Okay, what is the condition for collinear? Okay, I think you still remember what's the meaning of collinear means fall at the same line. Okay, given 3 points A, B, and C. Okay, you have 3 points, something like this. Okay, the following are conditions for the point to be collinear. Okay, so these questions, this type of question, they will ask you, to prove, okay, whether point A, B, and C are collinear. Okay, so how to prove? Okay, a few conditions that you have to prove it. Okay, AB is equal to KBC. Okay, so you must express the AB, okay, in terms of the BC with the K, okay, you find the K usually, okay, so that you can say that AB is parallel to BC. Okay, this condition, this conclusion is come from the A. Okay, once you can write AB is equal to KBC, okay, then you can say AB is parallel to BC already. Okay, after that, you just make a sentence. B is a common point because B appear here and B also appear here. B is a common point. Therefore, okay, A, B, and C are collinear. Okay, after we have an example on this. Okay, so remember this is very important. Okay, this one also. Okay, how you want to prove the points given are collinear. Okay, this is the step. Okay. Okay, now we straight away look at the examples. Okay, given PQ is A, QR is B, RS is negative 2A, ST is equal to 4B. Okay, which pair of vectors are parallel? Okay, so it's very simple. You see this one with the A and the A. Okay, so PR and the RS are parallel. Okay, but how you want to tell this is a parallel, you got to write this one out. Okay, relate the two vectors, okay, with a scalar. Okay, so you see PQ is A. Okay, so you replace the A here, you replace the A here, okay, with the PQ. So RS is equal to negative, okay, instead of writing the A, you write PQ. So now you already relate the RS with the PQ, okay, with a scalar. Okay, then you can say, okay, PQRS are parallel. Okay, for the QR and ST, the same thing. Okay, ST is 4B. Okay, the B here replaced with the QR. Okay, so ST is equal to 4QR. Okay, then QR, ST are parallel. Okay, so this is quite simple. Okay, now we look at example 7. Okay, example 7 is the one with collinear. Okay, how you want to prove it is collinear. Okay, you just have to write all this out. Okay, PQ is U, QR is phi U. Show that PQR are collinear. Actually, it's quite simple. Okay, so you see, same thing, replace the U here with PQ. Okay, so you write QR is equal to phi PQ. Okay, so you can say QR is parallel PQ. Okay, PQ and QR are parallel. Okay, then do they have a common point? Yes, the common point is Q. Q is a common point. Okay, therefore the P, Q, and R are collinear. Okay, so all this you must write out. Which one is a common point? Okay, what is parallel? And then how they relate, okay, with the scalar. Okay, then only make final conclusion they are collinear. Okay, so this is example 7, okay, about collinear. Okay, example 8 is the one I say they are not parallel, but they still relate with a scalar. Okay, given that non-zero vector A, B are not parallel, okay, not parallel. Okay, but you see, they are still relate with a scalar. Okay, so means what? This is 0 and this is 0. Finish. It's so simple. Okay, so h equals 1 equals 0, so h is 1. K plus 5 equals 0, so k is negative 5. Okay, but this kind of question is simple until, you know, always a student see this kind of question, they don't know what to do. Okay, so please remember this type of questions. Okay, so I finish this. Okay, for this one, I want you to change the questions for this part. Okay, this one, change PQ is equal to half QR, not PR, it's QR. Only you can get the answer at the back. Okay, so this is today homework. And also this one. Okay, so means one whole page. Okay, 5 questions, 6 questions, altogether 11 questions. Okay, so for vectors, I think I will stop here for today. I will discuss with you the PVD. Okay, then tomorrow we will start with this addition and subtraction of vector. Okay, same thing. If possible, you all go through first the 8.2. Okay, so that when I teach, you have the idea already. Okay, may I know you have learned in your physics or not resultant vector? Resultant vector. Have you learned in your physics?
No, I think teacher. No.
Sorry, Emmeline, is it?
Yeah, I think don't have.
Don't have You didn't learn it or never heard before resultant vector?
I never heard before.
Oh, okay. Okay lah. Okay, so you'll go through 8.2 by yourself first, okay, before the tomorrow lesson. Okay, now we continue with the your PVD. Okay, I know that question 1 mostly got no problem, question 2 as well, okay. Mostly will have problem in question number 3. Okay, this one you done in your Tuesday. So 2 days ago, I hope you still can remember. Okay, this is the question number 3. Can see the questions?
Can teacher can.
Okay, and then some more maybe, okay, you will say, okay, really short of time. Okay, cannot in the short time, you know, think of these difficult questions. Okay, but actually if how to say, you can do it with a simple methods actually 30 minutes for you to solve the 1A, 1B, number 2, number 3. I think there's no problem. Actually, the time given actually is enough. Okay, let us see this. Okay, this is a trapezium. Okay, ABCD such that BC is parallel. BC is parallel to AD and perpendicular to CD. Okay, you have to find the point D. Find this point. Find this point. Okay, you see this point is at the is an intersecting point in between AD this line and the CD this line. Okay, if you are able to find the equation of the AD, this is part A. if you are able to find the equation of the AD, and then also find the equation of the CD, and then solve simultaneously, you will get the point D. Okay, so now, how to find the equation of the AD? Okay, I have a point A, but do I have the gradient of the AD? Okay, I don't have the gradient of the AD, but I can find the gradient of the BC. The gradient of the BC is same as the gradient of the AD because they are parallel. Okay, so there is no problem for me to find the equation of AD. Okay, second, can I find the equation of the CD? Once I get the gradient of the BC already, okay, because they are perpendicular, so m1 times m2 equals to -1, then, okay, by using the point C, I will be able to get the equation of the CD. Okay, but I see some of you go and get the equation of the BC because you get the gradient already. Then I think you use point C. Okay, if you are using point C and then with this gradient, you are finding the equation of the BC. If you are finding equation of the BC, what is the point? It will help you to get the point D or not? No. Okay, so no point for you to go round and round, but and yet you didn't reach your purpose. You cannot find the answer. So you got to be very clear before you start. Okay, how to solve this? Plan first. Not to just do. Okay, but do already, but no. Even 1 mark also cannot get. Okay, now we start. Okay, first of all, you have to find the gradient of the BC. Okay, so y minus y, x minus x. Okay, so this is a -9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is a -3. Okay, so this one, the gradient is -3. So AD, the gradient also -3. So gradient of the AD is also -3. Then the gradient of the CD, okay, will be 1/3. Okay. Okay, next, find the equation of the AD. Okay, AD by using this. Okay, so AD, you have to know what point you should use. Don't go and use the point C, point B. That point is not fall on AD. Okay, you look at AD, the only point that I have is this point. So I have to make use of point A. Okay, so point A, we give 4, 0. Okay, and with the gradient AD. Okay, so find the equation of the AD. Okay, so y minus y, x minus x. Okay, so here, this one you will get 1 mark. Okay, next, with the gradient of the CD. Okay, gradient of the CD, I want to find CD. So I use this point lah. Don't go and use point B lah, point A lah. Okay, so use point C. Okay, then you get the equation of the CD. Okay, so y minus 4, 1/3, x minus -2. Okay, so this one is the second one. Okay, and then you solve simultaneously, okay, and then to get the answer. Okay, so when you solve simultaneously, you can start with this. Okay, because y is this, and then also y is this. So this is equal to this. Okay. So the step, I don't write it out. You can try it by yourself. So here you get x is -3. And then when you substitute back into either equations, okay, dot, okay, the y you get 3. Okay, therefore the answer for the point D is -5, 3. Okay, this is for part A. Now we come to part B. Okay. Part B, because here they are using the area. So many of you so far I didn't mark finish yet lah. You are using the area formula, the 3 points one that you learned in this chapter. You can use that, but the problem is you are confusing yourself with putting the modulus. Actually, you know already the point E is somewhere here. Is it correct? ACE is half, so it's smaller. No? Point E is somewhere here. Point E is somewhere here. ACE. Okay, and then the other triangle is ABE. Okay, so they say that this is half of this. Okay, so if you are using the area of a triangles formula, the one with the modulus, and then you fill out the points on the coordinate of the points, that one you will have a very long working. Okay, you know, at maths we can't afford to have start with one questions and then with so long of the working. No point long. Okay, so whatever method faster way can help you to reach the answer, okay, use that method. Okay, so if you are using this method, definitely will drag you for so long, and then easy to make a careless mistake actually. Okay, and then for those are using this, okay, you can actually you don't confuse with the modulus. Okay, some of you I see you after that you put one positive, one negative lah, then some of you suddenly will become a plus minus lah. You so confusing because you already know the point E is here okay, and then you already know if clockwise the area is negative. Okay, anti-clockwise the area is positive. So when you arrange the point arrange in this way lah, if you want to still use this method. Okay, arrange in this way, anti-clockwise, so you know that your answer is positive already, settled. Okay, don't at the end don't know what positive lah, negative lah, because you know the point is here already. Okay, so if you arrange the point AEC, okay, anti-clockwise, you know the area is positive. Okay, so I will not show you use this method okay, and then some of you use the area already, you get one equation already, then don't know how to continue. I think so lah, I didn't go and try that. The second equation you can get from here lor. The second equations, okay, which is the equation of BC. Okay, because you have a point already, either you use point C or point B, also the same thing, and then you have the gradient already, so you can get the equation of the BC. Okay, because the E is a point 4 on BC, so it will fulfill, okay, the equation of the BC. Okay, then the two equation you try to solve it simultaneously. Again, wow, it's very long. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another methods how to get it fast. Okay, but some of you actually can how to say you don't know how to explain to me, but you will know that this is 1 and this is 2 because of the ratio here, but you didn't give me the explanation. But this now I just tutup mata, I give you correct but it should you should give me the reason why you say CD is 1 portion and then EB is 2 portion. You have to tell the reason. Okay, now we start okay, so how okay, I try to draw in this way. How do I draw? Is it something like this? Let me think how to draw it because this one is already look like 90 degree. I don't want it to look like 90 degree. How? Okay, let's say this is E. Okay, this one is the 90 degree. Okay, so this is point C, A, and B. Okay, I'm going to use the area of a triangle as a half times base times the height. Half AB. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, now so you see, given here, they say that what area of a triangle ACE is half the area of a triangle ABE. Okay, so area of a ACE, okay, this triangle. Okay, so this one will be the height. This height for this triangle ACE is also the height. For the triangle ABE also is the height. Okay, I hope you can see. Okay, it's something like this. How do I draw? If you have this type of triangle, okay, if this is the base, okay, then this one will be the height of the triangle. Okay, so same as this. Okay, so the triangle ACE here. Okay, so here will be the base. Okay, and then here will be the height. Okay, so you see this by doing this you are saying that both triangle the height are the same. Therefore you can after that cut, okay, to simplify it. Okay, so this one I write it out is half times the base is CE, okay, times the height is the H. Okay, for the other triangle ABE, okay, half times the base. Now the base here is this. Okay, which is a BE. Okay, and then the height is the same. Therefore, you see, sorry, I missed out this half. So should have another half here. Okay, this is the formula area of triangle, half time base and height, and then this half is from here. Okay, it's a one given. Okay, so you can cut. Okay, because all are times. Okay, so next you will have a CE is equal to half BE. Okay, what is the meaning? Okay, it means CE over BE is 1:2. Okay, so CE is 1 and then BE is 2. This is how you prove it. This is one portion and this is two portion. Okay, then you just use the formula, the ratio one, okay, to get it. Okay, so I'll draw it out this way. So this is a point C. You have a -2 and 4. Okay, E is here, and then B is here, 1 and -5. Okay, so here is one portion. This is two portion. Okay, do the cross. Okay, let's say this is X and Y. Okay, so this cross with this, and then this cross with this. Okay, so you will get the 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 coordinates. Okay, so the answer, this one you try to do by yourself. The answer for the E is -1, 1. Okay, any question for me so far for the question number 3? Question number 1A, I think should have no problem. It's just some of you make careless mistake. Question number 2 also I can see there's no problem also. Question number 1B, okay. Quite a number of you cannot get full marks. Okay, it's because, okay, 1B, I don't write out the questions. Actually, this is locus. Okay, many of you can reach this answer. You didn't go and try. Actually, this one all can divided by 4. Okay, means you are not at the final step. Okay, final line. Okay, so this is not the final answer because it can still be simplified. Okay, so the final answer is this after dividing by 4. Okay, so this one should be the final answer. Okay. I think that's all. Any more questions? If no more questions, okay, I can dismiss you early so you can start with your homework because you have 11 questions, and then I want you to read through 8.2 also.